Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2016 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Dakota Brown Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package with 19-inch split 5-spoke AMG wheels, sports interior and exterior. Silk beige MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, a dark wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 52,042 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.